Alright, back at it again, you damn dirty dogs. So, I am going to show you the connections of the number 322, which is Skull and Bones, with the Iraqi Dinar. Executive Order 13303 was the first one that was put out by Bush on May 22nd, 2003. First of all, if you just look at that, you see 322. Also, May 22nd, 2003 leaves 223 days left in the year. Just so you know, forwards and backwards, it's the same in this cult matrix language. So, 223 is the 48th prime. Just so you understand.
Best thing I heard.
Also, 1409, so if you see the numbers 149, is the 223rd prime. Regardless, I'm going to show you the number 223 and 216, which is 6 times 6 times 6, the number of the beast. Alright? So, this executive order was put out, and since then, there has been many modifications. You can't read it here, it's pretty small language, but I wrote it all here, all the different modifications and the dates. Now, I showed you how this one, when it first got put out, it was a day leaving 223 days left in the year, 322. The next one, you can just look at it, March 20th, 2003, forwards and reverse, 322, 322. Now, I didn't find any connections here with these four, but now, the last two modifications, the last one was put out 8 years, 3 months, and 22 days ago, including the date numerology. So if you look at this, 322, same exact thing. Now this goes to the date that I'm calling the next to 9/11, which is 9/17/2022. Just showing you right here, May 27th, September 17th this year. 8 years, 3 months, 22 days, 322. Whenever it was first put out, it left a day, leaving 223 days left in the year. Now, it says that these modifications go up until a year after May 22nd, 2022. That day happens to be the same exact day that they call out from 2003, which is the 223rd day left in the year, 322. Skull and Bones, it all evolves around 322. Alright, so I'm just showing you here again, 223, 48th prime. Letter to the House of Speaker. No, this just came out, okay? Letter to the Speaker of the House of Representatives and President of the Senate on the continuation of the national emergency with respect to the stabilization of Iraq. That happened on 5/9/2022. Now that happens to be 4 months and 8 days to my next 9/11, 9/17/2022. We all know what 48 is. 223 is the 48th prime. Okay? 223, 48. Another connection there. Just so you know, the Super Bowl that just happened. Backwards, the score, 322. Again, 223, 48th prime. Skull and Bones, 322. It's called out, and the Skull and Bones was founded in 1832. It's also called the Order 322, the Brotherhood of Death. Now, the Super Bowl happened on February 13th. To my date, I'm calling the next 9/11, September 17th, is exactly 216 days. 216 is 6 times 6 times 6, 666. Alright? September 11th, 2001, when 9/11 happened, to my date, next 9/11, is 21 years and 6 days. 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. As you can see here, 216 days. It's also 76 by 76 days, 76 days. And just so you know, Joe Biden, Joseph Robinette Biden, equals 126. Just to throw in, he just got COVID, tested positive for COVID 243 days after his birthday. Regardless, Iraqi dinar evaluation proposal. Let me just stay on the 126. There's a whole bunch of other connections I'm not even going to go into. But you see that 126 there? Well, Joseph Biden put out a 666 speech, and he said, it doesn't matter if it's 6 minutes, 6 days, or 6 weeks. Biden vows infrastructure deal. Now, when he did that, that was on 10/1/2021. And to my date, next 9/11, 9/17, that's exactly 351 days. But what's crazy is 351 is the 26th triangular, and my day is on the 260th day of the year. From the date that he said this to my next 9/11, it was 50 weeks and 1 day. And that day is a day leaving 105 days left in the year. 105, 501, 50 weeks, 1 day, or 260th day of the year, which this is the 26th triangular. Zeros are dropped in this in this matrix and gematria. All right? Just for the heck of it, Kobe came out of retirement 3 months and 15 days to September 17th. He also came out on the 153rd day of the year, leaving 212 days left in the year. Super Bowl is on 2/12. It's kind of crazy. He's plays NFL, so those numbers line up with these numbers. Also, the next Super Bowl, all right, is on 2/12/2023. It's a day leaving 322 days left in the year. So I'm just showing you all the 223 connections. 322, 223, and 322. So you can see here that the next Super Bowl, 2/12/2023, to my next 9/11, is 149 days, or 21 weeks, 2 days, kind of like 2/12. That's with the date numerology. Without it, it's 148 days, 21 weeks, 1 day. Now that 148, if you actually look, 148, 11,026, which is the same numbers. Kobe Bryant died 126, and then 216 is the 148th prime. Regardless, you see the 322s everywhere. 322 and 216 all over the place. Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., 126. The distance from September 11th to September 17th, my next 9/11, 21 years, 6 days. The distance from the Super Bowl to 9/17, 216 days. Let's see here. The 322 is everywhere. 4 months and 8 days from the date that this came out, which is 223rd prime, is the 48th prime. 223 is. The date that the 1303 came out was 223 days left in the year. So you can't deny that there's something going on with this 223 or 322. What do you think? Have a good one.